This is DJI Mini 5 Pro, and today I'll show how you can clear all user-generated data on this drone. So first, make your way to the GoFly app on your RC or smartphone, then GoFly, or enter the flight controls. From here, at the top right, look for the icon to launch settings, select the about category, scroll all the way down, and the very last option you'll see is clear all data. So select it, press clear, and wait a while for all this user-generated data to be completely erased. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.